فهل من مدكر. Indeed, we have made the Quran easy for seeking advice. So, is there one to heed to the advice? From Dr. Shanaz Naeem, Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. Today, we will continue with some more words which are repeated in Quran Pak and started with L5B and their meanings in English. It is better to memorize these words with their translation in English. Let us start our new lesson. An-ni'matu, blessing. Al-khata'u, mistake. Al-hayyu, life. Al-shayyu, thing. Al-ajru, wage. Al-maskinu, poor. Al-qalilu, few. Al-imamu, imam. Ar-rahmatu, mercy. Al-shahidu, martyr. Al-kawiyyu, strong. Al-israfu, extravagance. Al-jahiliyatu, ignorance. Al-itba'u, following. Al-ummu, mother. Al-abdu, slave. That's all for today's lesson. Please give permission to Dr. Shanaz Naeem till next lecture. Khuda Hafiz.